Hello, my people. It's your girl Rabia, and welcome back to Rabia Unfolded. So, it's that season of the year where people come together for barbecues, for grills, and for any outdoor activities that make you enjoy the season, right? So, today I thought I'll be showing you how to make this ultimate green marinade that you can use for your fish grills, for your beef grills, for your barbecues, or for your chicken barbecues as well. Literally anything is the ultimate marinade that I use for any of my grills. If that's what you're looking for, then you want to stay true to the end of this video as I'll be showing you how to come up with this ultimate green marinade that you can use for any of your grills. If you're new to this channel, hello, my name is Rabia and this is Rabia Unfolded, where we create delicious, cozy recipes that you can easily recreate at your home without any issues. If that sounds like your kind of place, please don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the cozy recipes that we upload here every week. Okay, let me show you how to get this ultimate green marinade that you can use for any of your grills. Okay, now let's get started with the ingredients. Just a little disclaimer there, please. The measurements of the ingredients will vary depending on the size of the barbecue or the grill that you want to do, right? So let's get started with the shallots. I have some shallots here already washed, nice and peeled. You can feel free to use onions in place of shallots here, okay? Okay, then I do have some green bell peppers. I want it to be green, so you can notice like everything here is green, right? Some green bell peppers, some fresh parsley, some spring onions, some leeks. Then let's go to our dries. So right here, I have with me some ground white pepper, some ground country onions, black pepper, some African nutmeg or bebe, any seasonings of your choice. Then I do have some jangsa for that flavor, right? Some salt to taste. And of course, some garlic, already peeled, washed, and nice to go. Let me not forget my oil. You need any vegetable oils of your choice. Today, I'm using the canola. Feel free to use any vegetable oils of your choice, okay? Then, I have some airtight containers here that I'm going to be storing my marinades in it. Okay, let's get going. Okay, let me put these away. So all my vegetables have already been washed and prepped, so we're ready to get started. In the blender goes the shallots, spring onions, parsley, garlic, bell peppers, and leeks. Pour in just enough water to help everything blend smoothly, then blend until roughly combined. My blender is already full, so I'm blending in batches. Once the first batch is crushed down, I add the remaining ingredients along with the seasonings and salt. Blend again until everything is smooth, vibrant, and beautifully green. Come on, look at these greens. Don't you love this? Transform the mixture into a clean pot. And yes, beautiful souls, don't leave any goodness behind, okay? Rinse out the blender with a little water and add it to the pot. Give everything a good mix and then add in your oil. And yes, beautiful souls, since we're making this for future barbecues, there's no need to add too much oil at this stage, okay? You can always add more when you're ready to marinate. Mix everything well and taste for seasoning. And yes, feel free to adjust if needed. Cover and cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. You don't want to overcook this, right? Because this marinade will still be used for grilling. And just like that, beautiful souls, our signature green marinade is ready. Look at the beautiful green colors. It's fresh, fragrant, and packed with flavors. Please let it cool completely before you store in airtight containers or freezer bags. This marinade freezes beautifully and can be kept for months, beautiful souls, making it perfect for those last minute barbecue cravings. And the best part, beautiful souls, it works on fish, chicken, beef, pork, and practically anything you're throwing on the grill. In my next video, I'll show you exactly how I foul this marinade, season my fish, and grill it to that beautiful perfection. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Rabia Unfolded. Your support helps Rabia Unfolded continue bringing simple, flavorful recipes to your kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode of Rabia Unfolded. Cheers.